So now it's time to welcome our four gorgeous, beautiful and talented judges.
एक समय ऐसा था कि मैं वहाँ पे बैठी थी, यहाँ पे और कोई था.
Live your moment, and if you believe in yourself, you're already a queen.
One thing that I really want to share with you guys that this journey has taught me is you really have to push yourself. How did you decide to go into each and every one of the stream?
So this story started when I was in 10th and I failed in maths. बेटा, मैथ्स लेके मत पढ़ना, ये तुम्हारी बस की नहीं है. मेरा नाम शिप्रा है और मैं बिहार से बिलोंग करती हूँ. करेंटली मैं अपने हस्बैंड के साथ गुड़गांव में रहती हूँ. As a girl, I have started my journey when I actually realized that I have a blessing that I am a woman. And since then, मुझे लगा कि शायद ये जर्नी मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छी होगी.
I'm a 15-year-old small town girl living in Sangli. And I've been balancing my pageant and my 10th studies together. And it's quite hard. I'm working on my personality. And I have walked the ramp of India Kids Fashion Week twice at the age of 6 and 8. I started modeling at the age of 6.
From Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. I've been a constant fighter and I can proudly say that I'm very brave because I have been through certain incidents in my life which I could overcome, and I'm sitting here in front of you. That's an achievement for me because I can share my story, I can help others who have been through such struggles in their life, and I think that means a lot for me. That's an achievement for me.
A confident woman residing in California. I'm a very passionate model and I'm finally following my dream. Really struggling to make her mark, trying to make it to the world with very educated parents, very loving parents. So I was really blessed by having a family who has always stood by myself. Be like a mirror to all the women out there that they can do this too. A shy, ugly duckling, an invisible girl who can make her mark in the world. If I can, everyone can.
मैं नागपुर से हूँ. I am 54 years old. I am a life coach, psychologist. Have influenced a lot of students and women. That first photo shoot, I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to face camera, nothing. Makeup I have learned not just externally but internally also.
Very good afternoon to each and every one of y'all. We've had a great start to the afternoon because of the web series screening. We've seen the contestants and everything that this pageant journey entails. About 2 years back, I was a Miss Teen India finalist. And to see my transformation from waiting there in my red dress to winning the first runner-up title at the national finale, going to represent India all the way to the US alone, and winning the title of the first runner-up along with a few subtitles. All of these girls, everyone out here has so much to say, has so much to do, and it's platforms like this that give them an opportunity to shine bright as bright as the stars in the sky tonight.
When you know how you're performing and when you are actually given guidelines and criteria to perform better and better in the future, it is a very, very fair criteria.
GIGP is fair, methodical and transparent because everything has been done in a certain manner.
If the person, like the elimination round, all the rounds, even their selection criterias, even their auditions have all been related to inner beauty.
When it comes to any of the activities, when it comes to scoring, when it comes to the eliminations, or when it comes to, when we are doing any certain rounds that we are performing, it is everything that is what we perform, what we put on and what we give in our 100%.
We begin with acknowledging the presence of our jury panel.
I take it as a social service.
Yeah.
In fact, with this, a lot of people are gaining confidence,
Yes.
to, face the stage and everything. And apart from that, it's going to help them in their future life also, how to tackle situations, how to be upfront with people. So definitely it's a good job.
I am beyond thrilled and excited to be a part of such inspiring and strong women. When I say strong, I mean it because I feel their personalities. The minute I entered this room, I could feel a different energy, a different aura, and I think that represents the strong spirit and energy of everybody here.
Really excited, and I'm always being a newcomer myself, obviously, you should appreciate the talent, and Akshita and Swarup did a great job, and to support talent.
It's been a privilege for me to mentor these girls, and it was also a challenge because in season 1 we had a lot of contestants with a lot of acne, pigmentation, and taking care of all that, and we especially had Christina Raj who had a bad ichthyosis problem. So yeah, and we completely transformed these girls in terms of their skin and hair.
Actually, I'm so glad and super excited to be here.
Right.
It's a dream come true. I never ever expected this opportunity will be given to me.
I am really excited. It's my first time seeing myself on the big screen. It's like a big thing, and the first time the world premiere of The Journey of a Queen.
Yes.
I'm exhilarated. I can't tell you because this is like a dream come true.
मुझे लगता है कि जो क्राउन अभी मैंने पहना है उसे मैं जब से काफ़ी लोगों को देख रही हूँ कि क्राउन को कोई देख रहा है।